Hello everybody, my name is Danny and this is SpendLessStore.com's YouTube channel, Spend Less Tools. In today's video, we are going to go over this Milwaukee M18 fuel multi-tool. Model number on this guy is 2836-20. It does have a variable speed. It even has an automatic mode as well. And then it has an on-off switch, and then it has... I'm going to go ahead and start off this video by showing you how to put a blade on. A lot of the times if you just got the tool or you're starting to use it, that may be the first thing you run into. So that's going to start with this little handle on the back of the head here. So this will flip up just like I just did, and then it'll flip out like that. When you do that, it's going to bring this top bolt or flange out like so. When you put it down, it drops it back down and puts tension on it. This takes tension off it, allowing you to unscrew it to put your blade in between the two. So you'll take that guy all the way out like so, set that down, and then this guy, your blade, is going to go on over the bottom teeth. The top one will go right down and screw in all the way until it stops, and finger tight. And then again, you're going to push this down, and when this goes down, that's going to pull the tension onto that, and you're not going to be able to spin it anymore, and your blade's going to be locked in place for you. So from there, I'm going to go ahead and drop my battery in. It goes in on the bottom, just slides in, make sure it's secure. Other than that, just has an on and an off switch and the modes. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Fun tool. You can also play race car noises with these as well. I like these a lot, guys. This is like a butter knife for anything. You can literally cut right into just about any material. You can shape things. You can cut baseboard sections out. Just about anything. I'm gonna go ahead and cut a weird angle off of this. Pick up that little sliver I just cut off and show you. I mean, really unique tool. You also can get sanding heads for these as well, and round blades as well. Thanks so much, you guys, for watching. If anybody has any future video ideas, please don't hesitate to let us know. We are always looking for new videos. We do plan on putting videos out daily for a long time to come. Please don't forget to subscribe, because we give away a power tool every single month at random to a subscriber. And also, we're going to continue to deliver just great videos. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to boop that like button and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.